But this is my take on doing camp makeup, something that's like weird and out of the
for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture. Let's not even talk about it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you'll stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Now, today's look is inspired by the Met Gala, as you guys can see from the title of the video, and just pretty much going along with the theme of last week, doing things that are out of my comfort zone. And this is completely out of my comfort zone. Like, I don't wear bottom lashes at all, not even with lash extensions. So with the theme being camp, I wanted to kind of just give my take or twist on makeup. I'm putting it out into the atmosphere that one day I will be one of the featured makeup artists doing makeup for the Met Gala. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this fun and crazy look, please keep watching. I'll see you guys in my next clip.
Starting out with the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe collection, I am going to be using the shade Secure as my transition shade. As always, you want to make sure you pat the color in before you start to blend, so that way you're getting the best color payoff possible. That's super important with colors like this that are usually vibrant, because if you go into just trying to sweep the color into your crease or onto your lid, it will create that chalky look, and that's definitely a no-no. And as always, I'm using my Morphe M433 brush to blend everything into my crease. The next shade you guys are going to see me use is Sokoto, and this is from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. I absolutely love this shade. This was the shade that actually drew me to the palette. I love how bright and just neon it is, and seeing as though neon is definitely in this season, I definitely wanted to incorporate that into my look, because as you guys know, if you look at most of my tutorials that don't involve color, I'm very basic when it comes down to eye makeup. I tend to stick to smoky eyes and just, you know, soft browns if I decide to do color. So once again, taking me out of my comfort zone, which is literally what camp means, which is to like be weird or do something that most people would normally wear on a day-to-day basis. I definitely thought that this color was perfect for this look. And as always, because this color is so vibrant, you definitely want to make sure that as you blend out, you go back and pat it back in. Now, this is where I kind of messed up. I got a little carried away with my blending, so I used Blame It on Midnight by NYX. It is a single eyeshadow. I'm not sure if they still offer this shade, but I did use that to highlight my brow bone and to kind of clean up the areas where the Sokoto kind of got out of control. And as you guys can see, I'm using my beauty blender along with some leftover powder from my face to clean up the mess. The next shade you see me using from the Saharan palette is Zoya, and I'm using that to highlight my inner tear duct area. And I thought that that added a very nice and pretty, just vibrant pop to the eye. And then as always, like I said, because this color is so vibrant, you definitely want to go back in and apply Sokoto. And then I'm using my Lancome mascara to get all the product off of my lashes, so my lashes just, you know, do what they need to do. And as always, to complete the eye, I definitely think that I look weird when I don't put anything on my lower lash line. So I just wanted to use Sokoto on the bottom lash line as well to give it a more vibrant look. And then using my face powder, I just dusted off whatever fallout came from the Sokoto and Zoya, so that way, you know, my face will have a nice clean canvas. And I am using my Ebony bronze by Covergirl. I forgot to show it to you guys, but I use it all the time, so you guys should know exactly what it is. If not, I will make sure I have it listed down below, but I am using my Ebony bronze from the Covergirl Queen collection. Now, the next thing I started to do, which this was kind of on whim, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this didn't start out as a camp look, but for some reason I was having an urge to give this highlighter a second try. I really didn't know what to do with the Beach Please collection Killawatt foils, but I definitely wanted to still purchase them because they were. I didn't know that she was going to make them permanent, so I got them thinking that she would discontinue them, but this actually came out really good. So I'm using, I think this is Sangria Sunset. Yep, thank you for showing it again, CC. But I used Sangria Sunset for the pinkness, and then I went on top with Mimosa Sunrise to kind of calm it down a little bit because it was scaring me. And this is the big lash reveal. I absolutely love these lashes. I am going to tell you guys exactly what I'm using soon, but let's get into the lip. These are Colored Raine liquid lip paints. This first shade is Ohlala, and the orange shade you guys are gonna see me use is called Spiked Punch. Originally, I was gonna just leave the lips 2 different colors, but you know, me being fast, I went ahead and butted my lips, and I was like, oh, well, this isn't that bad. So that's how I ended up with just having it as one solid color. Now, this is where, I mean, obviously I cut the clip, but you guys see me button the lips together because I was like, F it, I already even messed up what I was doing, so let me just commit to it. And then for another pop of color, I decided to add Mimosa Sunrise into the center of my lip to give it that nice iridescent glow. As you guys can see, I'm starting to feel myself. These are some old Kiss lashes that I got from like my local drugstore. And because the lashes that I'm wearing already kind of have this spiked look to it, I figured bottom lashes would definitely complement this look very well. Once again, bottom lashes aren't something that I would do on a day-to-day basis, and I don't think that people would wear lashes this prominent on a day-to-day basis. So this is definitely giving me camp tease, so I wanted to go ahead and incorporate that into my look as well. And I think this is pretty much it. You guys are just gonna watch me finish putting the lashes on, and I think that's pretty much the last product that you guys will see me, you know, applying to my face.
And that's it for the look, guys. I'm super happy and super proud of how this look came out. Once again, stepping outside of my comfort zone. If you guys like when I do looks like this, or if you guys even want to see me recreate some of the looks that were actually on the red carpet, make sure you list those down below. Let's actually talk about who our favorite looks were down below. Personally, I love Zendaya's look, I loved Sierra's look, I loved Cardi's look, and there's like quite a few others that I can't think of off the top of my head, but let's definitely go ahead and start that conversation down below in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and as always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.